Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about 3 verbs in the English language that really can get some people mixed up regarding direction and action. And the 3 verbs that we're going to talk about are the verb take, the verb bring, and the verb get. Let me give you some examples so that you can use your analytical ability and try to figure out the definitions for yourself. John and Mary took a friend of theirs to a restaurant. I really don't like taking a taxi. Could you please take me to the airport? And finally, could you please take this jacket to the dry cleaners? 3 forms of the verb take. Number 2, the verb bring. Waiter, please bring me another bottle of wine. Hello, room service? Could you bring me a pizza and a Coca-Cola? Hello? Honey, I wanted to know if I could bring some friends home this evening for dinner. And finally, the verb get. Could you do me a favor and get that pen on top of the table? Could you please get that book? I see that we don't have the report. Could you go to Tom's office and get it for me, please? If you use your analytical ability, you will see that we use the verb take when we accompany someone to a place that is really not known to us. Places like a restaurant, an airport, or the train station. We use the verb bring when something is more personal. We bring someone home. Please bring it to my office. When I go to a restaurant, this table is mine. So I ask the waiter to please bring me a bottle of wine. When I check into a hotel, the room is mine, and I ask room service to please bring me some food and drink. And finally, we use the verb get when we would like someone to leave our presence, go, take something, and come back. What we see here finally with the verb to get is the economizing of the English language. We don't say, John, please go to my office, take the book, and bring it back to me. No, we don't say that. We say, please get the book in my office. What we try to do in English is always make the form shorter and shorter, more and more concise. Short English is beautiful English. And this, as we've spoken about before, is one of the many ways in which Italian and English differ. You say, you go to school as small children. You're there playing with your friends and you say, Namo, famo. Your teacher steps in and says, no, non diciamo namo e famo, diciamo andiamo e facciamo. Your teachers in Italian make your mouths work more. When we go to school, we're talking to our friends on the playground and we say, we are going home after school today. The teacher steps in and says, no, we don't say we are going home after school today. We say we're going home after school today. Your teachers in Italian teach you to use your mouth, to exercise it more, and to pronounce things ever more clearly. Our teachers, unfortunately, take us as small children and teach us to eat our words. I am becomes I'm. You are becomes you're. He is, she is, it is becomes he's, she's, it's. We are going becomes we're going. You're and there. Ladies and gentlemen, don't be forced to be lazy in the English language. Personally, I hardly ever say, we're going to the supermarket. I normally say to everyone, we are going to the supermarket. When you can separate your words in English, make yourself understood by others. But when it's not possible, like with words such as comfortable and interesting, instead of comfortable and interesting, words such as vegetables instead of vegetables, those are ways in which we, unfortunately, have inherited a way of eating our words. Ladies and gentlemen, in English, when speaking, if you don't have to necessarily eat your words, then don't. Thank you very much.